Hi, this is the episode I'm going to talk about using a Google Lens, which you'll have to install on your phone if you've got the Samsung S22 Ultra like I did. But you get Google Lens app on your phone so you can scan a QR code, and you just open the app, click on the Google Lens, let the camera scan the QR code, and it's going to take you to where it's supposed to take you. Okay, I've got this in the show notes. If you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, there's links in there and even some extra related links like what is a QR code and how does it work, the beginner's ultimate guide. Okay, now I want you to take a minute and take a look. I think you're going to get some mileage out of QR codes. I'm seeing them more and more on television, like at the tail end of the commercial. They say, scan this code for more details about this fantastic offer, that kind of thing. And I think that instead of your struggle continuing, take a look at this and get geared up and knowing about QR codes. I think they're going to be a thing going forward, maybe because of the pandemic. I don't know. There's just a whole lot of mileage in the QR codes, and I'm sharing this episode about it so you can get some. I want to thank all the time that you've devoted to this episode of the Guy R. Cook Report. I hope that link helps you out in some way. Thanks to the patrons that support this effort. It's a wrap. And this is how you get in touch with yours truly, Guy R. Cook. There's the GuyRCookReport.com, and there's a contact form if you go to GuyRCook.com, just like it shows in text there. Or you can call my new cell phone number, 509-200-1429. I look forward to talking to you.